Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Present continuous form and use. We don't say use, we say use, because the verb is use, but the noun is use. So here we are using the word as a noun. So form and use. Use. So we are going to speak about present continuous. We use present continuous to describe actions or verbs that are happening in the present, right now, at the moment of speaking. So I'm going to explain this when we give examples. The form of present continuous. So we studied present simple. In present simple, we have just one verb. I speak, I go, I eat. So just one verb. But remember, in present continuous, we have two verbs. Two verbs. So present continuous is verb to be in present simple. We are going to see in the lesson verb to be in present simple plus verb plus ing. So this is present continuous. If we have just verb plus ing, it's not present continuous. Remember this. So to have present continuous, you should have two things. First, verb to be in present simple and verb plus ing. Another thing I want you to remember, that in this lesson and in the lessons that are coming in the future regarding present continuous, we are not going to use do, don't, does, doesn't, because these words, we use them just in present simple. So we don't use them in other tenses, English tenses. So remember that these words, we are not going to use them today and in the coming lessons. This is just to remember this. Let's continue. So, signal words that we use in present continuous for actions happening right now. So when we have the word now, so it means present continuous. If we have right now, it means present continuous. If we say at the moment, it means present continuous. If we say listen, it's present continuous. Look, it's present continuous. We are going to see these examples. So in this lesson, we are not going to use positive, negative question. We are going to use symbols. So the symbol plus means positive. The symbol minus means negative. and the question mark means question. So remember this. So when you have plus, it means the sentence is positive, minus is the sentence negative, and the question mark means the sentence is a question. Why we are using this? Because we are not going to repeat all the time positive, negative, question, so you should learn them automatically. Let's see. So verb to be in present simple, positive. I am, your, his, she's, it's, where, your, there. So try to remember this because we studied it many times, so it should be very clear to you. Let's go to the negative form. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. Let's go to the question form. So in the question form, the verb to be is first. Am I? Are you? So in this lesson, we are going to use just are you as a question, and the answer should be either yes I am or no I am not. So we are not going to study he, she, it, we, you, they in today's lesson. We are going to use just I am and are you. And in the coming lessons, we are going to use the other pronouns. Am I? Are you? If you have the question, are you? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he? Is she? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they? So when we ask you, are you? So you should always write the long form if you answer with yes. So if I say to you, are you speaking to me? You say to me, yes, I am. Don't say to me, yes, I am, short form. So when you write yes, you should write the long form. Don't write short form with yes. Remember, huh? And if you answer with no, for example, are you speaking to me? No, I am not. So thanks for watching. Goodbye. حد سعيد. إلى اللقاء. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.